Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to install fresh animations for Minecraft 1.21.4 on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to note that you'll need to have Java installed on your Mac. If you don't have it already, I'll leave a tutorial linked in the description below. First, we need to download the Minecraft 1.21.4 files to your Mac. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher. In the Profile drop-down menu, select the release version 1.21.4 and click on Play. When Minecraft opens, it means the files have been downloaded correctly. Now, click Quit Game. Next, we need to download Optifine so we can run fresh animations. Open your web browser and go to optifine.net. I'll leave this link in the description. Click on the Downloads tab at the top. Select the Minecraft 1.21.4 version. If you don't see it, click Show All Versions and find it in the list. Once you've found it, click the Download button. After about 5 seconds, a skip button will appear in the top right corner. Click that, and then click the Download button in the middle of the screen. Download the Optifine installer to your Mac. For this example, I'm downloading it to my desktop. Now that we've downloaded Optifine, let's download fresh animations. Open your web browser and go to a modding platform of your choice. For this example, we're using modrienth.com. Once you're there, scroll down and click on Discover Mods, then select Resource Packs tab. Now, search for Fresh Animations. However, it may appear as one of the first results, so you want to click on that. When the Fresh Animations page opens, click on the Versions tab near the top. Search for the Fresh Animations version for your Minecraft version. So for this example it's going to be the 1.21.4 version. Click into that and click the green download button and download fresh animations to your Mac. Again, I'm going to choose my desktop. As a bonus tip, you can also download the fresh animations extensions which will give you additional extensions for objects and mobs. However, as I've recorded in this video, this isn't available for the 1.21.4 version, so I will not be downloading it in this video. Now we've downloaded Optifine and fresh animations, we need to install Optifine. Open it up. If you get an error message, it means you need to approve it in the system settings. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, then click on System Settings. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Optifine listed here, and you want to click on Open Anyway. In the pop-up menu you want to select Open Anyway, and then you may need to use your Mac password or Touch ID, and then it will open after a few seconds and it will look like this. Once Optifine has opened, simply click on the Install button. After a few seconds, Optifine will be successfully installed. Click OK, and you can now delete the Optifine installer from your Mac if you wish. Now we've installed Optifine, let's install fresh animations. Open your Minecraft launcher. In the Versions drop-down menu, select the Optifine version we just installed. If you don't see it, you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher. Once Minecraft has opened, we can install the resource pack. Click on the Options button, then Resource Packs, and then Open Pack folder. Now, drag and drop the Fresh Animations resource pack into this folder. Now that we've done that, we can exit out of the folder and it should appear in Minecraft. Click on the arrow icon to move it from the Available column into the Selected column. Make sure it's at the top, above the Minecraft default resource pack. Once we've done this, click on Done. After a few seconds, the Fresh Animations resource pack will be successfully loaded. Now click on Done, and start playing Minecraft as you normally would. So I've just loaded into my world here, and as you can see the Fresh Animations resource pack is successfully working, so we can go ahead and start playing Minecraft just as we normally would. Just bear in mind that we did install the Optifine mod as well, so if you want to access those settings you want to go to the main menu, and then you want to select Options, and then you want to click on Video Settings, and you can change these video settings here. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Rome Tech content. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below.